People wonder when they get a laminate wall panel kit what exactly is coming to their home or to their business. So first you're going to see it's actually packaged up in a crate. This crate is about 30 inches by 96 inches long. And then inside of the crate, first and foremost, are the wall panels themselves. These panels are about 2 foot wide by not close to 8 foot long. They will be packaged in twos, so the front face of each panel is next to one another and they're wrapped up together. If you do get an odd number of panels, which will give you exactly what you need, if you needed 7, there'll be a seventh one. One would be usually unwrapped in that case. Then you'll see over here the trim profiles. There's a small L profile that goes on the outside edges. There's usually a long L profile that goes at the top, a hidden inside corner trim, and a base profile. So all of your profiles are here. Some may be brushed nickel, matte black, white, just depends on what particular choice you made. In addition, you'll see there's going to be a carton, and inside of that carton is going to be some additional goodies that you're going to need. So first and foremost is the sealant. This sealant is used between the panels. It's used on the edge of the wall, kind of the outside edge of the wall panels, and between the base profile and the shower pan. This is made specifically for the Fibo walls. In here as well, you're going to see a spray. When you click and lock the panels together, some of the sealant that we just showed you oozes out. You're going to use this spray and spray it down. That's going to be right here. Then you're going to clean the excess off with these rubber pads that are provided. And you're also going to find some wipes. This is going to wipe up any excess. I've actually had some people, they like how this cleans so well that even when they're not doing the Fibo wall panels, they ask for the wipes. And then in addition, when you're installing the screws, so these are absolutely the right screws to use inside of the system. So if you have any question whether you got the right amount of stuff or how to use anything, there will be installation instructions we can certainly get for you. Or you can give us a call, 877-668-5888. Or for more information about these wall panels, go to innovatewallpanels.com.